What's up, everybody? It's Bree, aka Bree G, on Instagram or Griffey, whichever page you follow. Y'all should be following both, but whatever. So, welcome to my first video. We're gonna hop right into it. This is gonna be a video on how I achieved the hair color that y'all been seeing on my recent photos. A bunch of trial and error, y'all, so just bear with me. So first, we're gonna put on, the gloves. I got black gloves. Black gloves are the best, but I just rinsed these out, so it's a little hard to get my hands in. That's why I'm struggling right now. So we're gonna start out with the mixing bowl. Got my brush in my mixing bowl. Then I got my color additive. And then I have my color, permanent color by Ion in the color Very Light Ash Blonde, and my 30 developer also by Ion Sensitive Scalp. First things first, let's get these directions read. Okay, I don't really read directions, y'all. I kind of just go by what I know. So now I'm adding my color, my permanent color, my Very Light Ash Blonde. Then I'm adding my developer. I believe I added both tubes of my cream permanent color and then a whole bottle of the 30 developer. So like a 2-to-1 formula. And then I got my color additive. That's the purple color that you see. It was in the little purple pack. And what that does is it's supposed to get any brassiness that is left behind from coloring your hair, because usually when you color your hair like a blonde color, you're going to have a brassy color, especially when you're lifting it from a darker color. So like it's the saying, LSU be Auburn or Auburn be LSU, whatever, on Christmas. So LSU colors are purple and yellow. Purple and yellow cancel each other out. Auburn colors are blue and orange. Blue and orange cancel each other out. And then, of course, Christmas, green and reds cancel each other out. So if you look at a color wheel, those are the colors across from each other and they cancel each other out. So, of course, I'm putting the purple on top of the yellow because I want to, get the brassiness out. So, like I said, that would be like the LSU. So I started out on the perimeter of my hair, where my hair was shaved, or where my hair is shaved, and then I go in and I start at the roots of my hair. And the reason I start at the root of my hair because it's unprocessed, or whatever you call it, virgin hair. So it's never been processed. It's the darkest part of my hair, so it's gonna take the longest to lift. So I start there, and also the heat that radiates from my scalp and from my person will also help, the chemical process of lifting in my hair color. So I'm just making sure, as I go, that I'm fully saturating each strand of hair and everything. And now that that's all done, I'm just going to go back through and just make sure my roots are saturated, because you don't want to lift your hair and then you get done, you wash it out, and you got patches of black or brown, or just patches of hair that did not lift. That's not a good look, especially when you're getting it straightened like I was planning on getting done. So I'm just going through and making sure it's fully saturated. I learned in cosmetology school that the more it's saturated, like the process will continue going. But y'all, I ran out of product. I really thought that since I shaved I guess 40% of my hair off, that I didn't need as much product, but boy was I wrong. My hair is thick as hell. So me and my mom had to make a quick run to the Sally's Beauty Supply store. Thank God they still had the product there. Oh, y'all. I was worried about over-processing my hair and everything. So now that I've come back, now I'm going through and, putting the product towards the end of my hair. Once again, make sure it's fully saturated and everything. And that every strand of hair has some of the product on it. So once that's all through my hair, and I'm going to go back and make sure my edges are colored too, because, those little tiny hairs around your edges, like just make sure you get those because you don't want no black hairs around your edges. So now that that's in, I'm gonna process it again by sitting with the cap on. I did not get under the hair dryer. I just simply put on a plastic cap. And I probably let that sit for about 30 minutes, y'all. Don't quote me on it because I don't know. But I feel like, or I know, I could kind of tell when my hair isn't doing like I wanted to, and it didn't. But it did lift. My roots, you could tell, are a little, you don't see any black, you see mostly brown. So it did lift. So now I'm going to go in with this powder lightener, which is bleach, and then my 20 developer. And so before, you notice I didn't put any bleach in my hair. So I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking that since my hair was already light, I don't know. We're not talking about it. I'm mad at myself for that. But now I'm going there with my bleach and my cream developer. And we're going to try this again. Once again, I'm going to start off on the perimeter of my hair. Then once I get to the top part, I'm going to start off with the roots because it lifts. It's not going to lift as fast as the ends. And yeah, same process, work it through. Try to work as fast as you can, but not too fast where you miss stuff. Because once again, it is a chemical process and you don't want to over process your hair. Then again, gonna sit under my little cap again for about 30 minutes after I go through and make sure every hair is saturated. And it is. So this is the next. Is it the next day? No, it's the same day. So now, instead of using the color additive in the little purple pack I used before, I got some Wella. It's the same thing, I think. Yeah. So with the Wella, it's supposed to tone my hair. So you mix the Wella. I got two different colors. I got the T11 and the T10. T10 is a pale blonde. T11 is the lightest beige blonde. So I just added both of those in there with equal parts of developer, once again, 20 volume. And it made like the little mucusy consistency type stuff, which is gross, but put that on my hair. So once again, get the brassiness out of my hair. Um, I pretty much just put this on all my hair at once. I didn't really start at the root to work my way down. I just put it on the whole strand at once and kind of worked it down with my hands and my fingers. But I guess that's the same, yeah. Anyway, work that all the way through. Once again, it's supposed to have like a purple tint to it once you put it in, but mine didn't. It had a little bit of a purple tint, but not too much. But once again, I make sure it's all saturated in my hair. Then I let it sit again. So after this time, y'all, I just went ahead and styled my hair as usual. I did a twist out, so this is the finished product of me with my twist out. But I still didn't get the color that I wanted, y'all. It's cute, but it's not what I wanted. So peep this. A few months ago, I had bought everything I needed to color my hair the way I wanted to. And the products were just sitting in my bathroom, and I totally forgot about the stuff that I had. And had I started out with the stuff that I had bought previously, I would have been okay and wouldn't have to go through all this. So I had bought this powder lightener by Ion, and I had totally forgot about it. So that's what I'm about to use now. I'm shaking it up because it was all at the top. You got to kind of peel it off. So here I go again, y'all. So next day, yes, I know. I put my hair in a little ponytail, a little man bun, And I just I use one of these little packages of powder lightener with my 20 volume cream developer. And I did enough to make like a not too watery, but like a little like thick consistency, not too like somewhere in the middle. I don't know how to explain it, but and so I was like, I'm putting bleach in my hair again. Let me just try and do highlights, because in my mind it's like it's not as bad, it's not as harsh because I'm not doing all of my hair, I'm doing some of my hair. So with doing these highlights, you know, it's different ways you can do highlights. You can use the foil method where you get the end of your comb and kind of weave it through the hair and pull out the hair. You can also get a highlighting cap, which is a cap you put on your hair with holes and you pull it out with a tool. But for one, my hair is too thick and too coarse to be pulling through some little holes, and that was going to probably pull out most of my hair and it was going to hurt. And I didn't have time or the patience to go through and use the foil method. So I literally pulled out every other strand and used my fingers and just put the little consistency, the little whatever you want to call it, put it on my fingers and just went through. And you could kind of see how it was going to fall. I could kind of see how it was going to fall in my face. So I did that, literally just went through my head and just picked and chose, or picked and chose, I don't know. Chose different spots to put the bleach on. So I'd let that sit, and I could absolutely tell that it was lifting. So this is my happy dance. Hey, yeah. Because I know it worked this time. So boom, I want to come at y'all with a video of how my hair, break these off because it's too clear, of how my hair ended up turning out after I bleached it like 2 times, I think, and did all that crazy stuff to it. So I got off work early this morning. I'm tired as heck. So I'll make it short and sweet. So I just got back from getting my hair done. Miss Brandy Patterson did my silk press, and Miss Ashley did my hair. She cut my hair. So I got my hair cut this morning after I got off work, and then I went and got my silk press after. We left off, I did the highlights. So when you straighten your hair, you can really see how the color's gonna come together. And when I was doing my highlights, y'all, I didn't know what I was doing. I was just picking up random strands, and I was like, we're gonna see if this gonna work. But y'all, it came out so beautiful. So this is the end result of me coloring my hair. Look how beautiful, like, it just flows. Who, me? Me? Oh, like, y'all. And then, of course, I colored that side. I just got it cut low. You can't really see the cut, but I got like a V, and I'm gonna grow this back out in the middle. But this is my hair after the color, after my cut, after my trim. I got a trim as well. And my hair is still healthy, you guys. I didn't even get that much cut off. I probably got like this much cut off. I'm just really determined this time, because I think last time when I was coloring my hair, I was more focused on the color of my hair and getting the color that I wanted, as opposed to having healthy hair. And of course, everybody can't bleach their hair. Their hair won't take bleach the same as mine will. But I feel like I had really resilient hair, because y'all saw I bleached my hair twice, like back to back. Like one day I bleached it, then the next day I bleached it, and my hair is still healthy. But I got my ends trimmed and everything. And she evened it out, because honestly, y'all, when I first got my hair cut and I got it in that style and I got the sides tapered or cut off, I was just shaping it up by cutting it. So she evened it out, but she didn't cut too much off, because y'all know we go to these beauticians and we be like, I gotta get my hair trimmed. We dread it because we're like, they're gonna cut off our hair. But my beautician maintained my length, and my hair still looks really, really healthy. I feel like my hair kind of looks like a 27-ish type color deal, I guess. But yeah, I'm really happy with the results of my hair, y'all. I'm just so tired. And I already suffer from having bags, and they look even worse right now. But yeah, comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them. I can't sit here and say I'm not a licensed beautician, because I am a licensed beautician, but I do not practice. I guess that's just a disclaimer. I do my own hair. It's my hair. I know what works for me. I know what doesn't work for me. It's me doing my hair, so if I don't like the way it come out, I can only be mad at myself. But usually I'm okay with it. So ask questions below. I answer them as the best as I can. If you got comments, suggestions, tell me about your experience bleaching your hair, anything, just let me know. Make sure y'all like. This is my first video. Like, share this, and subscribe to my channel, because I am going to be making a lot of videos. I have a lot of videos that I have recorded previously that I'm going to post. I guess they're in my vault, but I'm going to post those videos. So once I get this editing down pat, they're going to be coming out the woodworks, because I enjoy doing these videos. I enjoy doing things on myself as opposed to other people. I do other people's hair. I do other people's makeup, but it's my face, my hair, and it's me, and I'm okay with doing it on me in front of y'all. So y'all can do it at home on y'allselves. You know what I'm saying? So thank y'all. I hope y'all like this video, because it's my first video, and I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel for some years now. I just been nervous and shy and scared. So please, y'all, take it easy on me. Don't be too harsh in the comments. But I appreciate constructive criticism. So yeah, but just thank y'all for watching again for the umpteenth time. God bless. Thank you. Love you. Peace.